Hello, this is Charlie from Poland Lab. Today I will be demoing you the Reef.Regen. Reef.Regen is an application made for coral restoration community and citizen scientists to attest their impact. It is designed and conceptualized for Meso Reef DAO to engage their peer. So you will land on this landing page that we introduce you what's our mission and what can you do with it. So we will quickly just browse through, and then you can explore map or what's going on there, and then you have a FAQ. So if I'm a visitor, probably it's just going to explore here. So this is where we can see all the attestation. Currently, we are on the testnet, but imagine later when we go mainnet and engage the coral restoration community, people will come here to attest. So you can see there's a couple orange dots. They are test data at this moment, but we need to have some data to show you for demo. So user can kind of browse the gray dot. That means there's no attestation has been made. So I will go in this Taiwan site that I made a couple of attestation on top of it. Here we can learn how many action has happened and how many species the has been attested during the attestation and activity. What type of site is this? It's a nursery site and the depth and the service area. So now user can browse all the attestation in the across all the from the coral restoration community. So I can click one that open a model, and then I can verify on the on the ES, which has all this data. And yeah, in here you can see the summary of the action and how many species and the following contributor that help us to do this activity. So that's map. And then we can now try to submit a attestation that first we will require you to sign in. So we in the background, we're using the EAS delegation feature to pay the transaction fee for the user because we imagine those coral restoration community, they might not be a Web3 native. So in order to do that, they do need to have a wallet to start submitting. So I will just kind of, and we're using the Web3 art for the signing process. So I'm gonna just use Google for now. Mm. And right now we are in the Optimus and Sequoia, so I will switch network. Now the first question will be what kind of action you are attesting today or submitting today. So you could, from our research, we understand sometime the 1 day or during the time period there will be multiple action happen, and there's kind of like category of a type of action. So today I'm gonna just do two as a demo. You can say it's a specific day or it's during a duration of time. So let me just put duration. And then you can, let's say, as we understand, many organizations might have a multiple site. Those are the site I create during my test. If there's a new site that they get funding, they have adding a new site, they can add through this model and then give a name and then select type of site is that. So I'm not gonna add more test data. So I'm going to use the this one I always use. Then summary here, you can write anything, and then you can select a photo. Let me just do a smaller one. And then go to next. Now, if you as horror scientist, you probably know all these terms, so I'm gonna just like pretend I know, which is not true. Maybe another one. 13. Then I can add contributor, Joe, John, and 2 contributor edit. Then I will be reviewing, so I have those action I selected in the time, summary, and my attachment. Go, and then we also let them just kind of keep a note themselves, match their internal database. This one we wouldn't submit to the blockchain. So submit. So we will uploading. First thing we will do will upload the file to the IPFS. We're using Firebase as our provider. Then I'm gonna assign the data. Mm. So in the background, there's a relayer to trigger to pay the gas for the user. Voila, the submission is completed. Then user can also share on the social, which actually has the um, parameter of the exactly site and the attestation drive the user to this website. Or you submit a new one, or you go view in the EAS. So now I have been submitting couple lists and other feature we including in the Reef.Regen MVP, including a dashboard, a profile page that organization can share with other people. As you can see, kind of like I did a lot of tests in the past week. And then, yeah, so you can hover, see how much action have been done, or show more detail. And then in here, a map to kind of help other user browse this profile. And we imagine people, coral restoration organization, they don't have a like IT guy or developer. So we help them to make their job a bit easier to provide them an iframe so they can embed this map into their website and then just kind of showcase they have been attest those action in the past. So that's that. And then the attestation table. So those are the internal ID column, which I will be only me as a tester of this profile will be seeing just for me as an internal notes. Then same principle, you can kind of add, open one. Then yeah, so the rest is pretty much that. And then they can also kind of add their profile website or claim a handle, which is their profile handle, or add more site or update the size that become now is more deeper or it's more larger. This site or anyone and explore your private key if they log in with the social and log out. So that's it. That's the our MVP for Reef.Regen, and we hope to engage more coral scientists and community onto the blockchain. Thank you.